Dive into the world of Leonardo AI's Motion, a remarkable tool designed to animate static images into engaging videos. This addition to Leonardo's arsenal promises to revolutionize how creators bring visuals to life, making it an essential topic for our latest review. With a recent $31 million funding boost, Leonardo AI is expanding its horizons, aiming to cater to both consumer and enterprise applications. The process is straightforward. Select an image, set the motion strength, hit the Generate button, and watch as it becomes animated. Its ease of use and the impressive quality of output, especially when fed high-resolution images, have garnered widespread acclaim. However, Leonardo AI's prowess extends well beyond video creation, encompassing a suite of features that cater to a comprehensive range of creative needs. Leonardo AI shines in creating photorealistic images, allowing creators to bring any vision to life with startling clarity and detail. The platform's PhotoReel feature uses short prompts to generate images in cinematic, creative, or vibrant styles, offering unprecedented control over the creative process. For those who like to experiment on the fly, Leonardo AI's Live Canvas feature is a game changer. This real-time generative AI art tool allows users to test prompts and see the results instantly, enabling a dynamic and interactive creative workflow. Coupled with a universal upscaler, creators can refine their images and videos, ensuring that the final output maintains the highest quality possible. This feature is particularly beneficial in video creation, where resolution and clarity are paramount. Leonardo AI exhibits a notable strength in animating close-up or medium-shot images of people and scenic locations, where it delivers more lifelike and coherent outputs. These types of visuals tend to benefit from the AI's capabilities, resulting in enhanced depth and realism that can elevate the storytelling or visual experience. In contrast, the platform struggles significantly with animating certain graphics, artwork, and paintings. When tasked with these types of images, the results often fall short of expectations. Movements can appear disjointed or overly simplified, and in some cases, images barely animate, if at all. This discrepancy highlights a specific area where Leonardo AI's performance varies greatly, underscoring the importance of selecting the right type of content to animate for the best results. Among its most notable areas for improvement, Leonardo AI struggles with accurately rendering faces from a distance and interpreting complex movements. This can sometimes lead to videos where characters appear less lifelike or movements seem unnatural. Users find themselves at the mercy of the AI when it comes to directing camera movements and implementing detailed motions, as the tool lacks options for manual adjustments, leaving much to be desired in terms of creative control. Additionally, Leonardo AI often loses its focus around the 2-second mark, effectively having the usable length of what should be 4-second clips. This abrupt shift can make movements appear less fluid and realistic, further hampering the platform's immersive experience. To optimize your experience and achieve the best possible results, consider these practical tips. For better quality output, always enhance or upscale your input images. Higher resolution images can significantly improve the clarity and detail of your final video, making your content more visually appealing and engaging. If your videos suffer from distortion or the AI frequently loses focus, consider adjusting the motion strength. Lowering the motion strength will result in slower movements, but it greatly enhances the fidelity of those movements and reducing the likelihood of the AI losing focus mid-clip. Leonardo AI's Motion tool marks a significant stride in AI-generated art and video production. As AI technology evolves, Motion is poised to become an even more integral tool for digital creativity despite its current limitations. As the platform grows, it's expected that feedback from its vast user community will guide enhancements, making Motion an even more versatile and quality-oriented tool for creators worldwide. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.